Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Note 12 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down just a little bit to find the display. Now let's tap on Wallpaper and Style, and as you can see right here we can check the preview of the lock screen and the home screen, and all we have to do is to tap on Change Wallpaper. Right here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from, so My Photos, which is basically your own gallery, or on-device wallpapers, which are pre-installed on this device. So in order to check the preview, simply tap on the wallpaper, so for example this one. And as you can see, you can check the preview on the home screen and the lock screen. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on the stick icon in the right lower corner. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so the home screen, lock screen, or both. And I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.